Yazio Honest Review. Watch before using. Yazio is a popular nutrition and diet tracking app designed for individuals who want to track their food intake, manage their calorie count, and reach fitness goals. It offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to log meals and monitor your progress. Whether you're focusing on weight loss, muscle gain, or just improving your eating habits, Yazio provides personalized diet plans, an extensive food database, and the ability to track both macronutrients and micronutrients. It's perfect for anyone who needs help staying on top of their nutrition, from beginners to seasoned fitness enthusiasts. One of Yazio's standout features is its personalized meal plans. After entering your goals, age, gender, and activity level, Yazio generates a customized plan that fits your needs. This is great for users who want structure and direction without having to research every meal. The app also provides a barcode scanner, which simplifies the process of logging packaged foods, saving you time while keeping everything accurate. Furthermore, the app has an extensive food database that includes thousands of foods from around the world, so whether you're in the US or traveling abroad, you'll find what you're looking for. However, the free version of Yazio is somewhat limited. You can track your calories and macros, but features like the personalized meal plans, advanced reports, and progress analysis are behind a paywall. The premium version also removes ads and offers additional features like tracking your exercise, water intake, and more. So, while the free version is useful, if you want a more in-depth experience, you'll need to invest in the premium subscription. For serious fitness enthusiasts or those with specific health goals, it's worth considering the upgrade. One downside to the app is its food database, which, while extensive, isn't always complete. Some foods may not be listed, or the nutritional information might not always be accurate, especially for generic or homemade meals. So, if you're someone who likes to prepare their meals from scratch, you may need to input the information manually. In conclusion, Yazio is a great app for tracking calories, macros, and overall nutrition, especially if you're looking for simplicity and structure in your meal planning. Its user-friendly interface and personalized meal plans make it ideal for both beginners and more advanced users, though the premium version is necessary for full access to all features. If you're serious about your diet, this app is definitely worth considering.